Hi everyone, it's me. I'm back, Denise, Macy's Customs. I'm back with a brand new video, a brand new office, a brand new office. I am so happy. I'm so excited to be doing this video for my family, my YouTube family. I miss y'all so much. The reason why I wasn't doing any videos because I was trying to get this office together. And can you believe it? It's together, but it ain't together. You know what I'm saying? I just got my just the standard stuff that I need in here. I still have to move some of my inventory in here, but I am so happy that I get to show everyone my office. I'm so excited. This was a long time coming. I needed to get out that little small room that I was in my house and get to somewhere that I can move around and where I can do my videos good and do my everything, my orders, everything, instead of moving from this place, moving from that place, going to the kitchen table. I just got so sick of it, so sick of it. But I'm so excited that I'm in my office right now. It was a long time coming. In this video, I'm gonna show you how everything had came along from the start of wiring the electricity in here and putting up the installation in the sheetrock and everything. It's been a long road, a long journey, and I am so happy that it's done. I just thank God. Thank God. If it wasn't for God, none of this right here won't be possible. With a little bit of hard work and determination and put God first in your life, anything is possible. Anything is possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna shut my mouth and I'm gonna show y'all my office. Now this where I clean all that stuff that was in my storage shed, and I place everything in the trailer. That's my screen printing machine right there. All the stuff that I'm planning on putting in my house, like my punch bowl and some of my kitchen equipment, well, kitchen stuff that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I don't even know why I have it because I don't even use half that stuff. Yep, basically that was a lot of stuff. And that's where when my husband and my friend, well, his friend had got the wiring run, and they finally got the power on. My husband had to dig a trench from his storage house to my office. And I think he did pretty good by covering it up good. And this is where we started putting the insulation in. It was a lot of insulation. Oh my God. My husband made sure he told me and my son, don't touch it, because if you touch it and you put it on your skin, it make you itch real bad. So you know I wasn't touching it. Not me. My son did good by recording this right here for me. He did real good. Okay. And that's when he finished the sides, but he still got a little bit more to do. He was putting making a hole in the wall for my air condition. I didn't know that the air condition had holes and you had to actually cut a hole in the wall to put it out. And that's how it turned out right there when he was finished. And remember the double doors that I had on there? Wait, they put a single one on. And that's when they started putting up the sheetrock. And those shells right there that I got, I threw them away. They were so flimsy. Oh my God, they were flimsy. You couldn't put nothing on there. Yeah, he was putting the sheetrock up and the remainder of the insulation. I don't know what I was doing. And that when he finished putting the walls up, he still had the ceiling to do. I think they came back the following week and they put the ceiling up. Put the insulation and the sheetrock up in the ceiling the following weekend. And my son, that was a pool table that we had a long time ago, a little kid's pool table. And my husband just put a top on it and painted it for me. That's my craft table. And that's when we started. My husband had mudded the place and sanded it down. We was getting ready to start painting. Well, I paint like for a few minutes. Yeah, a few minutes, and that was it for me. I was out. But he did real good on the mudding part. And that's when he started painting. He already had painted the ceiling. Now he was getting the walls, and I painted it gray. I wanted the gray walls. That's my husband right there, hard at work, painting those walls. I couldn't do it. I don't like that. I don't like painting. I really don't like painting. After they finished painting, I think the 2 days after that, that's when they started doing the hardwood floors in my office. I think they look pretty good. And that's a picture of them. Well, a picture of the hardwood floors. My husband and son, oldest son, had mounted my TV. And that's a few pictures of my office. Another picture. Okay. As soon as you walk in the door, you're gonna. I have the TV mounted right here. Well, my husband and son had put together. I don't have anything on the wall. Those are my two banks. I got storage, those cubby things I got from Amazon right there. My butcher paper. I have these cubbies right here. Matter of fact, I got these book cases from Dollar General. And I just put it together, and I just bought the cubbies to go with it. And I put my, I just lost my train of thought, my sublimation blanks and any other stuff in here. I got two of them that fit perfectly on the table. I have my heat presses, my 15 by 15 and my 16 by 24. And I also have storage right here. Another end table. It comes with two end tables. Dollar General sale for $15, and I bought two of them, and I just put a cubby up front. And I have all my shirts, and this cubby, I bought a 9-cube cubby storage thing from Amazon, and I have all my shirts by sizes: small, medium, large, extra large, 2X, 3X, 4X, 5X, 6X. And all these right here are my youth shirts down here. And I have some Cricut sublimation, well, the Cricut t-shirts down there that I have to finish putting together. Over here is, that's an air conditioning unit that my husband bought for me from Walmart, because this place is so well insulated, you know what I'm trying to say. But it gets very cold in here when I have this on, and I'm just coming out here, so you know I have to get cooled down first. And this right here is more storage stuff that I have. Then I have my two printers. And I have my new Cricut machine, the 24 cut, and some more storage down here. And I have my tumblers up here, my mats And on this wall right here, I'm planning on putting Niecy's Customs up here. So that's why it's bare. And I have a clock and a board that I got from Dollar General as well for $10, and you can just write on it. And my two computers, my monitor, my two monitors, 27 and 21 inch, and I have my vinyl. Excuse the trash. I have my vinyl in here, and I have my HTV, that's scraps, and I have my TV in here. That's all this right here is panels, patterns. Okay. And my desk, and I got this right here from Michaels, and I just got odds and ends in there. I know y'all see accessory and all that, but I had this in my house, and I just brought it out here. And as you can tell, everything is gray. Everything is, the walls are gray. And my husband, he was like, you need to get everything black. You need to get everything black because it matched the black, it matched the gray walls and stuff, and the white. Girl, you know what, y'all? My husband thinking this is his office and it's mine, and he bought me this pegboard right here that I probably need to do something with it. And my husband made me this craft table. It is a big craft table. I'm telling y'all, it is big. I can do everything on this table. Basically that's it. That's my office. Yes, I'm excited. It ain't much, but I'm excited. I'm happy, and I thank God that I have it, because in that room that I was working out of, I wouldn't have make it. I wouldn't have make it. I wouldn't have make it in there. Well, y'all, that is my, this is my office, my new office, and I'm excited. Thank you for looking at my video, how I started my office at the beginning till the end. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And go ahead and hit that like button and share my video to all your family and friends. You know what I'm about to say. God loves you and I love you too. Peace.